Hey everybody, it's Julia with SUS. I'm here at the IMTS trade show, and it's been a pretty successful show for us. We're really showing some unique products and people are really paying attention to the things that we have to offer. So let me show you around our booth. Here you can see our multi-level lifter in action. Right now it's programmed to just hit all 3 lanes and then return to the home. I'm going to show you what the top part does when it gets there in just a second. Bam! Alright, that's how that works. Over here we've got another level lifter that's about ergonomics. So if I take off the top tote, you can see that it lifts up. And again. Keeps everything at the same ergonomic height, and then once the last tote is removed, returns the table all the way to the bottom. We also have our super cool taxi conveyor going on. It's using 2 photoelectric sensors to detect the tiny taxi and keep it on the miniature conveyor belt there. It's got a speed controller here. Just turn that up a little bit, and our little taxi is really flying. Another thing we have going on at the booth is our mini units. The mini flip-flop, which you'll remember from the instructional videos we did a little while ago. Just have that down there. And of course, the AGV tote transfer. There we go. I want to give a big thank you to everybody who visited us here at IMTS, and we hope to see you at the assembly show next month. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye!